Hi everyone, this is Elise with Elise's Acrylic Pouring. So today I actually did two. The first one I did not keep, so I sped it up. It's about ×4 because I wanted to be cautious of time, especially since I wasn't even keeping the painting, but I wanted to show you my struggles. So here are the colors in order, but these are the colors I used for the second painting. The first one only had a couple of these, but I still wanted to show you guys to let you know. You'll see this clip twice. So the reason why I did a second painting is because I don't like the white house paint. When you blow too hard, sometimes you'll go clear down to the house paint and then what pops up is white cells. I hate that look. It drives me absolutely crazy. So what I decided to do is tint the house paint with my Golden Fluid Acrylics. So I don't know why I didn't think of that before. Maybe because you do have to use quite a bit of the Golden Fluid Acrylics to tint it. So I was being a little bit cautious towards price. And the second reason is when you use colored house paint, typically they need to shake it. Shaking causes a lot of bubbles. So, I don't know, so that's, I guess, probably why I didn't think of it. But here are the colors I used. They were all in order. It was the Pthalo Blue, Turquoise Deep, Sky Blue, but right there was the Manganese Blue. I got rid of that because it looked pretty close to the color I have as the pillow paint now. Then there's the Greenish Blue by Amsterdam. And then I used Iridescent Green Blue by Pebeo. And then that's the Interference Blue. So, oh, and I forgot. This is the Bluish Black by Pebeo. I wanted that underneath the Amsterdam, but I forgot it. So, another mistake I made right here is I didn't add enough cell activator. You'll see when I'm trying to blow it out, it doesn't go very far. It kind of just was stuck. And that's why I got those white cells, because I blew in one spot for a little bit too long and the white house paint came up. So, and then you'll see in some of the other areas where there's a lot of cell activator, I'm blowing with my mouth. You can do that. Just what you'll do is just blow kind of hard in one area and then I move my head back and forth. And that will produce the cells to come up. So as you can see, those two spots, even though the composition, they're almost equal, I do not like them. It drives me mad. So I scrape it. And you'll see here in a moment the colors I use to tint the house paint. They are the acrylic ink, silver, Payne's gray, Pthalo blue, and primary Cyan, not sure how to pronounce it. But here's the colors I used. Pthalo Blue Green Shade by Golden. Liquitex Basics Turquoise Deep. Pearl X Mica Powders in Sky Blue. Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. Pebeo Iridescent Blue Black. Golden Fluid Acrylics Interference Green. Amsterdam's Greenish Blue, and then Golden Fluid Acrylics Interference Blue. And then for my cell activator, it still was the copper and Australian Floetrol, 1 part paint to 4 parts Floetrol. If you check the description box, I have a direct link for an eBay seller that gives you a really good price if you're in the US. Okay, so I'm back. So what I did is I took my Gliddens, because I don't have any more of the Walmart one. So Glidden Essentials, I poured some in a cup, and I took my Pthalo Blue, primary, I think it's Cyan, I don't know, and Payne's gray. And then just for fun, I put a little bit of this silver acrylic ink in there to get this beautiful shade of blue. Look at that, isn't that so pretty? I did add a little bit of water just because it was super thick from adding some color. So now I won't get this white junk. I don't like that white junk. It'll look like
it'll look like just color everywhere. So this is probably drying. I would have just left it on there and poured over it, but I've taken a minute to mix that, and so it's probably kind of dried. And I don't want to mix the dry paint in the wet, and you get those kind of dry, crusty things. Okay, so let's put this down. Oh, I'm excited. That is so pretty. Don't go over yet. I might have put a little too much because I don't want it to go over yet. Okay, let me get a napkin. Okay, so Pthalo Blue. Uh-oh. Turquoise Deep by Liquitex. Sky Blue. It's not really holding it, is it? I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to put this metallic Cobalt Blue in just because now I've got that base of the blue. I don't want to put the Sky Blue. It's almost, or I mean the Manganese Blue. It's almost the exact same. Okay, now I'm going to do, oops. I got some, where did my napkin go? There it is. I got some of the house paint, a drip in my blue black, so I'm trying to scoop it. I don't want to put it back in there with that house paint on the That is such a pretty color. Okay, this time I'm not going to forget the iridescent, or I mean the interference. I had a brain fart for a minute, what they were called. So this is the green. And this is Amsterdam's Greenish Blue. Okay. And then the interference blue. cell activator up. Okay. Yay! Woohoo! That helps so much, because then you don't get the white. See, like right, I don't want to put my finger there and there, that reached the bottom. So instead of seeing the white house paint, you're seeing blue. Oh, I'm excited. Turn it so you guys can see. I'd rather use some of this color than put more house paint down. Okay, let's spin it out. Oh, that's pretty. That wasn't a very good spin. Oh yes, I am super happy with that. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, let me just clean my hands, put this up on my little stand, and then I'll do a close-up. That thing does not work very good.